Do you get tired of cleaning your Dutch oven? Well, today I've got another camping quick tip. So hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today I'm going to just show you 2 quick ways on how to make a Dutch oven liner. And these are so simple, and it eliminates that need for cleaning messy Dutch ovens. Okay, so here we go. You'll need to grab yourself some parchment paper. And I have already cut mine, and it is just a little bit bigger than the Dutch oven. So what you'll want to do is fold your parchment paper in half once, and then fold it in half again. Now we're going to make a cone shape. So we're just going to bring this side over to this side. You see that, how that makes a nice cone? I'm going to bring my Dutch oven in. And what you want to do is put the point in the middle of your Dutch oven and just kind of flatten it out. I'm just creasing where the round part of the Dutch oven meets. So there's where that is, and I'm going to go 1 inch above it and just cut it. So I'm just going to cut that so it's just slightly bigger. Now watch this. We open it up and we have got the perfect Dutch oven liner. I'm going to just push that down in there. And look how wonderful that is. That will eliminate the need for messy Dutch ovens. And can I just tell you how much this helps? Like John and I, we do a lot of dispersed camping, so water is limited. So to be able to just take whatever you've made out with the parchment paper and your Dutch oven is clean. Okay, let's just go ahead and I'll show you a second way. Once again, I've already got my parchment paper just a little bit bigger. What you'll want to do is take a cake pan. Now this is just slightly smaller than the Dutch oven, and push that down in there. So if you didn't have scissors for the first one, this is just another option. That just kind of creases it around the bottom. I'm going to take one more piece and fold it the opposite way. Okay, take my cake pan again. This just sits right down nicely in the middle of it. Just give it a good crease. And there is another just quick way for a Dutch oven liner. So I hope this quick tip helps you next time you're cooking in your Dutch oven. Thank you so much for joining us. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel where we put out quick tips all the time. Happy camping, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.